Hello everyone, this is Vanilla from Walls and Dreams. I've been working as a senior interior designer from the past 4 years. I started my career as a designer and I worked in a reputed company for 2.5 years, and then we started this firm. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel to know more about us and our designs. Right now, we are in one of the most reputed communities of Hyderabad, that is my home Mangala. This is a 3 BHK around 1780 SFT. Let's get into the home. Coming to the theme of this very beautiful home, it is neoclassical theme. As soon as you enter the main door, to my right side, if you can see, we have provided mouldings in wood. The finish to these wooden mouldings are in Duco paint. Since this is a drawing area, to accommodate a lot of guests, we have provided ample amount of seating. Exactly opposite to the sofa, we've provided seating again. Since we choose a lighter color sofa, to highlight this area, we choose a darker color cushion here. This is a royal blue color, and we also choose handles for this shutters in the metal finish to continue the theme. Discussing about this very beautiful metal partition, like how we wanted to provide ample amount of storage to accommodate a lot of guests. One side of the partition is provided with seating again. The side that is facing towards the drawing, instead of going with regular laminates, we choose to go with very beautiful lowers. The design for this partition has also been chosen very carefully. If you can see, we have gone with a little tinted rose gold glass here. We didn't want to go with the regular glass to avoid a lot of reflection. We also didn't want to close this space completely so that we'll have a little see-through. Coming to the other side of the partition, like we discussed, we have provided storage at the bottom. And the storage unit that you're seeing on the right side is acting as a pantry unit to the kitchen. Since this metal partition is playing a huge role in the entire drawing and living area, to match with the metal partition, we also have used these metal pieces here and there. As you can observe, the knobs of the TV unit or the legs of the sofa, even in the dining chairs also, we made sure there are little metal elements. As soon as you cross the metal partition, we are having a very beautiful 6-seater dining table. Exactly above the dining table, we have also provided a wooden ceiling. This wooden ceiling is accompanied by a very beautiful chandelier. Discussing about the factors that play an important role in transforming this home this beautiful, the first place has to go for the veneer. As you can see, we have used a very light shaded, very premium veneer for the entire flat. Even the color of the main door and the doors that lead to the bedrooms have also been changed to the same veneer. And the veneer does what it has to do, absolute magic. Right behind me is the entry to one of the royal puja units that you will ever see. Coming to the puja door, we have provided fluted glass on the top and bottom, and to continue with the metal element, we have provided gaps at the center and provided metal bells. Even the traditional handles that we choose for the puja door has metal element in it. This amazing puja structure that you're seeing right now is from Sharanga. The clients got it customized as per their choice and the space available. The highlight of this puja unit is the golden elements that you're seeing right now in the structure are actual gold. After the dining area, we are now entering into the informal living space. To one of the walls in the living area, to continue with the neoclassical theme, we have provided floral corner mounts here. These are also again finished in Duco paint, and on either sides we have provided very premium lights. To highlight the neoclassical theme and to keep it very subtle, we have chosen a very bright pop color sofa. We have chosen mustard color in leather finish. We also got this sofa customized for the dimensions that we have in this room. Since this is a pop color sofa, we try to put the curtains very simple. To conceal the curtain rods and the AC wires, we have provided pelmet on the top, which is again in the same veneer finish that we used for the entire flat. For the TV unit, we have provided a stone finish laminate. This is a very premium looking laminate from Europratik. Again, to join the laminates, we have used T-putty in between. The color of this T-putty is exactly the same color that we used in the metal partition. At the bottom, for the storage, we have provided drawers. Like we mentioned, the knobs that we used for drawers also has a little metal touch. And regarding the artifacts also, we tried to keep it very simple and minimal. Right next to the dining table, we have a small provision for the vanity. Since the space is small, we didn't want to make it too cluttered. So we kept the tiles very simple, exactly in the wall color finish. To highlight this area, we have used a very bright green colored mirror and also the sink is in the similar color. To provide little privacy from the dining area to the vanity, we have again provided a little metal partition here, which is almost similar to the one that we have in the drawing area. The tap and the napkin hanger are also in the same metal finish that we used in the entire living area. Coming to the kitchens, it is very rare that you get to see the entire kitchen in white. Kudos to the client's bold choice. Since the entire kitchen is in absolute white color, we used little experimental backsplash here with the mosaic tiles. This kitchen has actually turned out beyond our imagination and we are very happy with the output. Discussing about the storage space in the kitchen, the lower shelves are a combination of shutter and tandem drawers. The upper cabinets have uplift mechanism on either sides of the chimney. The entire kitchen is in acrylic finish with Gola profile handles. Coming to the other side of the kitchen, we have a rolling shutter to hide all your appliances. Right next to it is a tall unit which has inbuilt oven and OTG. This tall unit is followed by a double door refrigerator where the door's colors at the bottom is also customized to the blue that we used in the backsplash tiles. Welcome to a very classy master bedroom. As you can see, we have used a white laminate for the entire bedroom and used the teal green color as a highlighter. And to complement these two colors, we have used golden color handles and knobs for the entire room. We have used a leather finish laminate from Royal Touch for all the shutters. And to highlight this very simple laminate, we have provided very long golden handles. Wondering where we gave dresser for this bedroom? Considering the vastu and the layout of the room, we concealed the mirror inside the sliding wardrobe. Coming to the colors that we used in this room, this is a combination of blues and greys. This combination is specifically chosen by Sushant. By the way, Sushant is the child that owns this amazing room. The cushion that we used for the tufted bed with headboard and the window seating is matching with the grey laminate that we used. This is a huge sliding wardrobe that you are seeing without the loft. For easy access to the child, we gave external drawers at the bottom. Continuing to the wardrobe, we also have provided few open shelves along with a simple study unit. To provide ample amount of storage for this bedroom also, we have used a lot of storage space. But we still made sure that we have provided enough space for the kid to run and play. We also have provided a window seating which is attached with a shutter wardrobe again. To one of the sides of the bedroom, we gave this open shelves in deco paint finish with all his favorite colors. This is provided for his everyday access. To utilize the space behind the door also, we have provided a shutter wardrobe there. The beauty of this beautiful kids bedroom is the combination of knobs and handles we have used. As you can see, we have used Avengers theme, Angry Birds theme and few sports handles also. All these were particularly handpicked and approved by Sushant. We were very particular in choosing the hanger provided behind the door. As you can see, it is almost matching with the veneer that we have selected. Coming to the ceiling, we have provided profile lights just like how we used profile lights for the entire home. This children's bedroom that you are seeing right now is everyone's favorite. We got many compliments for designing this space so beautifully. So we also have a special guest in today's video. Hi Sushant.
Hi.
You like your room?
Yes, I like it so much.
How old are you, Sushant?
I am like 7 years old.
Okay. And what is your favorite part of the room?
The open shelves.
Thank you. This is an elegant guest bedroom cum study area. To serve both the purposes, we have attached a study unit coming from the wardrobe. On the other side, we gave a Murphy bed. You close the Murphy bed when not required and you have the complete room to yourself. Coming to the color combination of this bedroom, we used only one glossy laminate from Royal Touch with the veneer which we used for the entire flat. The blinds that we used here are also completely going with the theme. We really hope you enjoyed watching this home tour where we put in lot of efforts in designing the space and selection of each and every element with a lot of patience. Thanks for watching.